Hello viewers, again welcome. Today we are going to show you amazing and beautiful crafting ideas of jute and burlap, the mixture of felt and very beautiful jute craft ideas. And these designs are very interesting and beautiful and eco-friendly too. Eco-chic ideas हैं, budget-friendly हैं and beautiful making at home. You can getting ideas by this video. You can make very beautiful and amazing creation, amazing collection. Today we are exploring the natural beauty of jute and burlap craft creations, handmade decor that connecting simplicity, sustainability and creativity. Whether you are decorating your home or growing your small business, these crafts bring warmth, mindfulness and eco-friendly charm to every piece. So here are very beautiful designs whether you are decorating your home, growing your small business. Let's dive into the beauty, benefits and ideas behind jute and burlap crafting, the art of transforming humble materials into timeless designs. What are jute and burlap craft? Jute is strong, natural fiber often called the golden thread, durable, rustic, biodegradable. Burlap is the same things, add texture, balance, husk and natural beads, add texture, balance and uniqueness to each creation. When combined, jute and burlap craft become a perfect blend of earthy style and sustainable creativity, ideal for wall hanging candles, jars, coaster, vases and festive decor. Crafting with jute has multiple benefits beyond beauty. Eco-friendly and sustainable, jute is 100% natural and composable. It supports a greener lifestyle. Durability. It's long-lasting, making your creation sturdy and practical. Mindfulness and focus. The process of wrapping or tying jute strands helps calm the mind and improve focus. Aesthetic versatility. From rustic farmhouse style to boho chic, jute blends with any decor theme. Small business growth, handmade jute decor sells beautifully in market and online, perfect for home-based crafters. Each project you make not only decorates your home but also contributes to a sustainable, mindful world. Burlap crafts celebrate nature's raw beauty, shell seed and natural shapes brings life into art. They encourages recycling and reuse, turning natural waste into beautiful pieces. Each piece is unique, no two designs are the same. They represent balance and organic living, reminding us to stay grounded and creative. Used in jewelry, wall hanging, table decor, and frames, burlap crafts add warmth and authenticity to any piece. Crafting jute and burlap craft is more than art, it's therapy. As you weave, glue, or design, you enter a peaceful rhythm that relaxes your thought. It's a quiet creative meditation that reconnects you to nature. Every twist of jute, every placement of burlap becomes a reminder that beauty can grow from simplicity. These crafts teach patience, mindfulness, and gratitude, a perfect balance for today's busy life. Let's talk about some inspiring way to use your creation. Home decor ideas below the section. Jute wrap, mason jars and vases, burlap and jute table centerpiece, rustic coaster, candle holders and trays, wall art, hanging ornaments. Jute and burlap Xmas or festive decor. Now let's talk about business ideas. Sell handmade crafts at local fairs or online marketplace. Create eco-friendly gifts that offer custom jute decor for wedding or events. Teach workshop or online tutorials. With creativity and patience, your craft can become your brand. The symbolism behind natural crafting, jute and burlap represent nature, cycle growth, reuse, and harmony. When you create with natural materials, you align with that rhythm, transforming your space into a reflection of calm, grounded energy. It's not just decoration, it's a lifestyle of mindful, meaningful creations. So, friends, whether every handmade jute and burlap piece carries a story of love, patience, and creativity. Thank you for joining today's mindful crafting journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more handmade decor ideas and positive inspiration. Stay creative, stay grounded, and keep bringing beauty into the world. One jute strand and one burlap bead at a time. Keep crafting, keep making something unique and different. Keep creating beautiful and amazing environment for your home. Have a very nice and glorious day. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. Be a part of this journey. We try to make that amazing things for our viewers and subscribers. In this video, we have shared some beautiful crafts, beautiful ornaments, beautiful crafting ideas, daily uses crafting ideas. You can make here with your children. You can make art with your family and get together and be a time spent, beautiful time togetherness. Make your home feel alive and take a deep breath and make something unique and beautiful. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. God bless you all. Take care. Stay blessed. Keep crafting. Keep remember me in your prayers. Have a very nice and beautiful day. Good day. God bless you all.